Hi everyone, I'm Maria Jose Novillo and I'm a student of Chemical Oceanography here at SPO. And now we are here at the lagoon. I'm gonna talk about the SI unit system that is really important. Look at around. Um, Everything here you can make a measure about it. The ground, the water, all of these that you see here, you can make you can use the units that the SI system or unit system gives to you. On this video, I'm gonna talk about a little bit of history, um, about the units, where it comes from, where it came from, and what it's about, all the things that we can measure with this mass, length, weight, all the things that you know just for simple inspection. That's all. I'm gonna at the final of this video, I'm gonna give you a little bit of my opinion about this system, about all the systems that exist, and that's all. Thank you for watching me.
SI system units is divided into big groups. The first one is the base units and the second one derived units. The first has the principal units including the meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, mole, and candela. Mole is the last one that was added to this group. And the second one is derived units, and it comes with the base units combined between them.
Well, talking about a little bit of history about the SIU system unit, it's like the definition of it suffer like three different steps to define the final definition. The first one was about a little bar of platinum. Uh, it came from the definition of kilogram, about the gram, and those years was a really big discovery. But uh, with the pass of the time, people decide that the meter defined with a bar, it doesn't make sense. So because it can suffer changes with time, because it was a metal, so metal can suffer uh, oxidation, things like that. So it it wouldn't be the same thing with the years. So it changed, and on those days, the things that um, about the stars and the space were studying the light, about the atom. So this particle element about krypton on Celsius, it was Celsius, I guess that is it. With a infrared spectrometer was studied the effect of the length of the wave. So it says the second definition about meter was defined about the length of a wave of this element, but it doesn't make sense too. And on the 1971, Gauss was studying the light at that time, so he decides to study the speed of the light. You know that for humans, the light is really uncomfortable for our eyes, and all that we see is the reflection of the light. But studying the light gave an important definition for this unit, that is the meter. So we study the speed of the light is on meters. What is the distance that the light the speed of the light has can go on a period of time, and this time in this case is about seconds. So the definition of the light the definition of the meter, that is the base unit of the SI unit system, is how much about the speed of the light that can go in a distance on just in 1 second. So this is really interesting about the three different definitions that the meter, that is the middle, all the SI unit system, how it comes from now. Well, at the end of this video, I would like to conclude and give my opinion about the units, about the SI units system. We are human, and traditionally human wants to own everything: the tree, the water, all the nature, and this nature and all the things around needs to be measured. It's important that these systems were created for this purpose, to measure, to give us an idea of what we are doing, what we are seeing, what is this. So for me, the best systems of all that I've mentioned on the video is the SI system, because it's the most complete of the system. Well, and this system gave us all the time give us a widgets that we can use for improve our knowledge, for improve investigations, simple things like watching the time, seeing the sun, look at the water level on all the oceans, rivers, lagoons, all that things, and just with simple things like units. It's important, and for me it's a really good question that now I really don't know how to answer it. It's about the definition about the meter. What is meter? Meter is, like I said before, meter is the base unit on the SI unit system, and it's the distance that the light goes on a fraction of second. So why, if we are defining the matter in terms of speed, why the speed is not the speed the base unit, and the meter is the derivative? So this is a big good question, and I really feel confused about this, but I can give my humble opinion that I really don't think that the meter has to be a derivative. So because it is really simple to define the meter, because I can say that from this point to this point we have 2 meters, and it's simple. It's not like I say from this point to this point is the 3 we have a speed of 3 meters per second, and we have to define the time too. So for me it's really easy for that.